Hello, Bella. Hi, Bella. Don't worry, she's fine. Bella, I want to show you that you like fart jokes. This is Who Went Poopy on My Head. So, Mr. Mole went to the horse and said, Mr. Horse, did you poopy on my head? And Mr. Mole said, and the horse said, Mr. Mole, my poopy looks like this. Yes, my daughter likes fart jokes. Because he went to the rabbits. I said, Mr. Rabbits, did you poopy on my head? Yeah, and the rabbit said, no, my poopy looks like this. Yes. So he went to the billy goat and said, did you poopy on my head? And the billy goat said, no, my poopy looks like